CBI raids are underway at DK Sivakumar's premises and CBI is conducting these searches at 14 places in Karnataka and Mumbai. And during the money laundering probe investigation, ED had forwarded some of their findings to CBI last year. What exactly is happening on this story? Arvind joins us for more. Arvind.
Sonal, the Central Bureau of Investigation is raiding at around 14 places. The agency is conducting searches at the premises of DK Shivakumar, who is the Karnataka Congress president. In fact, the agency is searching 14 premises in Karnataka and also in Maharashtra linked with this particular case. Not just DK Shivakumar's premises, even the premises of his family members, including his brother, and also all the known associates of DK Shivakumar. The premises of his known associates are also being searched. Total 14 places are being searched by the Central Bureau of Investigation in both Karnataka and also in Maharashtra also. So what is this particular case? On what case the Central Bureau of Investigation is conducting searches? So our sources are saying is that during the money laundering probe, the Enforcement Directorate had initiated a money laundering probe against DK Shivakumar. In that particular case, DK Shivakumar was also arrested by the Enforcement Directorate last year. So during that particular probe, the Enforcement Directorate has got some evidence showing alleged corruption by DK Shivakumar when he was a minister in the Karnataka government. So based on that particular communication that was forwarded by the Enforcement Directorate to the Central Bureau of Investigation last year, the Central Bureau of Investigation, taking cognizance of that, has registered an alleged corruption case against DK Shivakumar. So in that particular case, the Central Bureau of Investigation is conducting raids at this point of hour. So total 14 places are being searched in 2 states, Karnataka and also in Maharashtra. So all these premises are linked to DK Shivakumar or his family members or his associates.
And Arvind, how long have these searches been gone?
Sonal, what we are being told is that the searches started somewhere at around 6:30 to 7 a.m. So the searches started at 14 places at the same time. So several teams from Delhi, from Karnataka, and also from Maharashtra are involved in this particular operation. So the searches started somewhere around 7 o'clock, and it's still underway. So searches are being conducted at around 14 places. What we are also being told is that these searches will go on for quite some time, because this is the first time the Central Bureau of Investigation is actually registering any case against DK Shivakumar. Earlier, we saw the Income Tax Department initiating a tax evasion case. So that's the first case that was registered against DK Shivakumar by any central agency. So during income tax proceedings, the Income Tax Department came up with some 800 crore of money of assets that were not brought to light by DK Shivakumar, etc. So taking cognizance of Income Tax Department's alleged tax evasion probe, the Enforcement Directorate initiated a money laundering probe. So based on Enforcement Directorate money laundering probe findings, now the Central Bureau of Investigation has registered an alleged corruption case. So in that particular case, the CBI is conducting all these searches.
All right, Arvind Gunasekar there. Thank you so much for bringing us the latest on that.